Dear students of class 8, today I will discuss with you exercise 1.4, that is last exercise of this chapters. So in which first sum, in a factory 3 upon 8 of the workers are female. If there are 600 workers in all, then find the number of male workers. So according to situations, there are total number of workers in a factory 600 and number of workers are female, that is 3 upon 8 part of total. So total number of workers are 600. So after calculating, you will get the result 4 to the 8, then 4 15 60, then 275, then 150. So the result is 3 into 75. After then, you will get the result 225. 3 5 is 15, 1 carry, 3 7 is 21, plus 1 22. So number of workers are females 225. Now number of workers are male is equal to total minus number of female workers. If you subtract number of female workers from totals, then you will get number of male workers. So 600 minus 225, then you will get 375. So it is first questions. The next is next question is multiply the sum of 6 upon 7 and minus 13 upon 21 by their difference. So firstly we have to add, then difference, after then multiplication. So sum of 6 upon 7 and minus 13 upon 21. So 6 upon 7 plus minus 13 upon 21. So plus minus minus plus minus minus. So we will take LCM 21. 21 by 7, 3, 3 6 are 18, 21 by 21, 1, 13. So the result is 5 by 21. Now difference of 6 by 7 and minus 13 upon 21. So 6 by 7 minus of minus 13 upon 21. So 6 by 7 plus 13 upon 21. After then we will get we will take LCM. LCM is 21. 21 by 7, 3 6 are 18. 21 by 21, 13. So the result is 31 upon 21. So then multiplications. Now multiplications of both numbers, both resulting numbers. So multiplications of both numbers, 5 by 21 into 13 by 21. So then you will get the result 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, 21 into 21, then 440. This is the answer. Okay, next one is the product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is minus 18 upon 75 if one of the rational number means 9 upon 20 minus 9 upon 20. Then find the other rational numbers. So its solution is, how can we, firstly we will require, let the other number be P upon Q. So given one rational number is minus 9 upon 20. According to question, product of two rational numbers is minus 18 upon 75. So product of two rational numbers, first one is minus 9 by 20, second is P by Q, and it is equal to minus 18 by 75. So here P by Q is equal to, this number will be will be transposed in corresponding side. Now its numerator become as a denominator and denominator become as a numerator. So minus to minus cancel out. 9 2 is 18 and 5 4 is 20 and 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Okay, so the result is P by Q is equal to 2 4 is 8 divided by 15. So this is the other rational number, 5 by 15. So hence the other rational number is 8 by 15. 8 by 15. Okay, so next one is, so next question is, a rectangular plot of land 25 hole 3/4 meter long and 15 hole 2/3 meter wide. Find the parameter and area and its area. So its solution is, so given length of rectangular plot 25 hole 3/4 meter, its meaning is 25 4 is 100, 100 plus 3 103 upon 4 meter, and width of rectangular plot 15 hole 2/3 meter, its meaning is 15 3 is 45 plus 2 47 upon 3 meters. So now parameter 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L is 103 by 4 and B is 47 by 3. So 2 into, so now we will take LCM as a 12. 12 by 4 3, 3 3 is 9 and 0, 3 1 is 3. Then 12 by 3 4, 4 7 is 28, 2 4 4 7 is 28, 2 4 4 is 16 or 2 18. So after that 2 into 9 plus 8 7, 17, 1 carry, then 9, then 4 by 12, then next 2 6 is 12, so 4 9 7 by 6 meter. Its meaning is 4 8 is 6 8 is 48, 6 2 is 12, then 5 upon 6 meter. It is the parameters. Then area L into B. L 103 by 4, B 47 by 3. So the result is, if you multiply it, 103 and 47, 21 7, then 12 4. So the result is 4841 divided by 12. So how can you solve this? So this is the area of this sum. Okay, so next is next sum is a cyclist cover a distance of 15 hall 3 by 4 kilometer in a day. How much distance will be covered in 5 hours 1/7 days? So very easy. The cyclist cover the distance in a day 15 whole 3 by 4 kilometers. Its meaning is 15 for the 60, 63 by 4 kilometers. Then he will cover the distance in 5 whole 1/7 days. Its meaning is 63 by 4 will be multiplied by 5 whole 1/7. So 63 by 4, 5 7 are 35 plus 1, 36 by 7. So 4 9 are 36, and 7 9 are 63. So 9 9 are 81 kilometers. So in which this is the questions of exercise 1.4. So it was exercise of 1.4. So now your chapter rational number has completed. Thank you.